Whoa, nice job. You went a long way. How was that? Was that fun? Was it? Get out.
Sit up a little bit more.
Do you want to go again? Do you want to go again?
Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
More?
Oh, good job. Good job. Muscled up. Muscled up. Ready for a big ride? You're going to go on a big, big ride. He might be able to do this by himself, but we'll do a team effort first. He's laughing.
Are you excited, Shannon?
Ready, babe?
Go.
Go! Let's go. Whoa! You went even farther. Wait a little bit. That was awesome. Was that fun?
Good job.
We jumped all the way over that little hilltop. That was amazing.
More.
More. You are right. Shannon on top of a large hill.
Set. Go.
Here we go.
Oh, nice job. Going back. Going back.
It's like a double ride.
More's right.
You are the bravest 19-month-old I've ever met. And Mommy admires you deeply. Ready, set? Up we go. Okay. Set. Go.
Ooh, almost went over that time. You would have flown into the school. Nice job.